Hi children, today we are going to do multiplication tables of 4. Let's enjoy the exercise, learn to say the tables, okay? Good. Now, I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Let's look at what's here. Look at the beautiful box and look at the number of blue balloons in it. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we learning? There are 4 numbers, 4 balloons. We are learning tables of 4. Here is the pictorial representation of 4 numbers. In the tray, there are 4 beautiful balloons. So we write down here 4. Number 4. So how many times 4? We take 1 time 4. Yes. So we write it here. Okay. Now, number 4 is here. Taken how many times? 1 time. 4 taken 1 time. So we write it as 4 ones are 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 ones are 4. How do we read this? 4 ones are 4. The first table, multiplication table of 4. Good, no? Good. So you have a group of 4 here in one box. We write the number 4 here. 4 taken 1 time, and we read this as 4 ones are 4. Very good. Let's take another grouping of 4. Look. Here you have now 2 trays, and you have 4 here, 4 here. 4 taken how many times? 2 times. 4 taken 1, 2. 2 times. Now, multiplication is repeated addition. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 and 4, 8. 4 taken 2 times. And that is 4 into 2, 8. How do we write this? 4 into 2. 4 taken 2 times is written as 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2, 8. Yes, 2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 4. 4 plus 4. 4 taken 2 times. How do we read this as? 4 2s are 8. Good. Now let's take another grouping of 4. Shall we? Look, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Multiplication is repeated addition. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. How many times 4 taken? 4 taken 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 taken 3 times. And that is 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3, 12. What is 4 3s are? 4 3s are 12. How do we remember? The grouping of 4 in 3 boxes. Yes? 4 taken 3 times. Oh, 4 3s are 12. Shall we look at another grouping of 4? Look what you have. Grouping of 4. How many times 4 taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 taken 4 times. Multiplication, repeated addition. So we add 4 times. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. 4 taken 4 times. How many times 4 taken? 4 times. 4 into 4, 16. 4 4s are 4 into 4 is equal to 16. How do we read this as? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Good. Shall we look at another grouping of 4? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 taken how many times? 5 times. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now, in multiplication, it is simply repeated addition. So we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 added 5 times. Now, 4 plus 4. 8. 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 4. 16. 16 plus 4. 20. 4 taken how many times? 5 times. What is 4 taken 5 times? We write it as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. What is 4 fives are? 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So anyone asks you, what is 4 fives are? 20. Good. Let's look at another grouping of 4. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6. 4 taken 6 times. 4 taken 6 times. 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4. 4 taken 6 times. Multiplication is simply repeated addition. Let's add all this and see how many. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Okay? 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 4, 12. 16. 20. 24. That is multiplication, repeated addition. Now, how many times 4 taken? 4 taken 6 times. 4 into 6 is 24. 4 sixes are 24. 4 into 6, 24. Good. Shall we look at another grouping of 4 too? Look. How many times 4 taken? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 taken 7 times. Look. Now, each group has got 4, 4, 4, 4 and there are 7. Okay? Now, each of this multiplication is repeated addition. So, we add all the 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the 7 fours we are going to add. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 4 taken how many times? 7 times. 7 fours are 28. 4 taken 7 times. We write it as 4 into 7. 4 into 7. What is 4 sevens are? 4 sevens are 28. Yes. 4 taken 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 taken 7 times. 4 into 7 equal to 28. Read this. What is 4 sevens are? 28. What is 4 into 7? 28. How do we read this? 4 sevens are 28. Good. Let's take the next table of 4. Look at the groupings. Shall we? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 taken 8 times. 4 taken 8 times. Now, multiplications, repeated addition. So 4, we are going to add 8 times and see what is the answer. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. We have here 4 taken how many times? 8 times. 4 into 8 is 32. Very good. 4 into 8 is 32. 4, 8 times is 32. How do we read this? 4 eights are. Good. 4 eights are 32. Very good. Let's do more multiplication table of 4. Let's look at the groupings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times 4 taken? 4 taken 9 times. 4 taken 9 times. So now multiplications, repeated addition. So we are going to add 4 9 times. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. How many times 4 taken? 4 taken 9 times. 4 taken 9 times, and we write it as 4 into 9 equal to 4 into 9. 4 nines are 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 4 nines are 36. How do we read this? What is 4 into 9? 36. 4 nines are 36. Very good. Let's look at another grouping of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many times 4 taken? 4 taken 10 times. 4 taken 10 times. So we are going to add, multiplication is repeated addition. We'll add 4 10 times and see what we get. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. And plus 4, 40. 4 taken 10 times. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 4 tens are 40. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 4 tens are 40. How do we read that? 4 tens are 40. Good. To remember the 4 times table of multiplication, you need to repeat the tables orally, look and say every day. Come on, let's read the table of 4 and multiplication together. Look. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Read this. 4 ones are 4. Good. Next. 4 twos are 8. How do we read this? 4 twos are 8. Next. 4 threes are 12. Read with me. 4 threes are 12. Next. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. And 4 fives are 20. What is 4 fives? 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. What is 4 sixes are? 4 sixes are 24. What is 4 sixes are? Good, 24. 4 sevens are 28. What is 4 sevens are? 28. 4 eights are 32. What is 4 eights are? 32. 4 nines are 36. What is 4 nines are? 36. What is 4 tens are? 4 tens are 40. See now, we learned the table of 4. To remember this 4 timetable, you need to say, look and say aloud daily.